Hi there, it's Faye from Unravel and Unwind, and I have got unboxing for you today. Today's unboxing is the Winter 2020 Craftpod box. Now, I haven't quite finished the autumn one yet, but I'm going to do the unboxing for you today anyway. So I haven't done the badger in the autumn box yet, but I have got this far with the toadstool. I just have to finish off the darker colour under here and around the outside, and then do the stars. So I am close, just not quite there yet. And then when I realised that the winter craft pod was on its way, I had a little panic. But anyway, here is our winter craft pod. I've already taken the seam off to make it easier to open. I do like the boxes that the craft pod comes in. I like the little images around the outside, and they're really useful boxes, and I have a habit of reusing boxes, so when I finish with these I'll probably use them myself to send other bits and pieces out. So let's turn the camera around and have a look at what's inside. Okay, so let's see what we've got inside. So we have our little note from the makers of Craftpod telling us what to expect in this month's box, with their social media info on the bottom, plus their website. I'll put those details in the description below, just in case you like what you see and you'd like to have a go yourself. So wrapped in tissue paper. If you've been following my videos, you know already that I like to keep my tissue paper and reuse it. So it is another embroidery box. Those of you that know me know that embroidery is not my favourite. I'll do it because I can, but it's not my favourite. So this one may take me a little while. I spy a packet of tea, English Tea Shop Organic, reviving tea with moringa, cinnamon, rosehip, lemongrass, spearmint, nettle and ginseng, all organic. That sounds really nice. Okay, I might try that later. That's lovely. Interesting colours for the embroidery, including metallic. I am so not a fan of metallic threads. What I like about the Craftpod boxes is the fact that you get a whole hank of threads for the embroidery, so that's quite nice. So you get a decent amount of embroidery, and I've got quite a lot left over from the last box. This is lovely. This is a needle minder, a magnetic needle minder, like that. I know the brand, Made by Cooper. That's who made our Patreon badges. It's a very lovely swan needle minder, gorgeous. So the theme of this box is obviously the winter swan. So we've got this lovely needle minder, beautiful. So that will just sit on the embroidery, and you put your needle on it and you don't lose your needle. We've got this is the postcard. So this is the original design, the postcard. Winter Swan by Gordy Wright. It's a gorgeous design, and as you can see, it's been replicated as the needle minder. And what Craftpod have also done is they've done it as this month's embroidery, which is this green bit here, I think. Yes. So here's our embroidery. Okay, so that will go in there, in your embroidery hoop. I think it's a 6-inch hoop this month. Let's have a look. I can't find it on there. Maybe it'll tell me in the instruction book. Winter Swan and wreath embroidery. Doesn't tell me what size the hoop is. I think it was a 6-inch. So you got your instructions, your hoop, your fabric, threads, and obviously matching needle minder. We'll put that to one side. We have a second project we've got these lovely little hanging felt swans. There's no way I'm going to get these made in time for Christmas, but they are beautiful. As you know from my last one, I haven't done the felt project in the last one yet. So I'm assuming that little bit of felt might be for the pine cones that are on the embroidery, because I can't see any brown felt on the swans. But you've got your white felt, you've got a template for the swans, and a layout guide of how to lay them out on the white felt so that you make the most of using your felt. So templates are there. Okay, so that's your white swan. We've got a needle in this little envelope. I'm not going to open it, but you can see the needle there for the embroidery. And what I'm assuming that this is going to be the stuffing for the swans. Yes, it is. So this is the stuffing for the swans, which doesn't feel like stuffing. It feels like roving. So felt roving, the kind that you use to needle felt with. So nice high quality. And there's a bonus project in this box, and that's for pine cone ginger biscuits. Don't they look delicious? All you'll need is butter, golden syrup, light brown sugar, plain flour, and ground ginger, and you can make yourself some lovely pine cone ginger biscuits. I think I might give that bit to Mark and see if he will make some gluten-free ones for us if we've got plain flour. I'm sure we've got everything else. That'd be nice. Lovely for Christmas. So that's this month's Craftpod box. Exciting. It's going to be a while before I actually get started on this one. Like I say, I'm still working on the toadstool, so there will be an update video on the toadstool later. But if you like the look of this box, why not go and check out Craftpod? They do them seasonally, so once a quarter you get this lovely little box through your letterbox. And it does fit in your letterbox because it's the size of a large letter. Through your letterbox for 2 crafty projects. If you have enjoyed the videos, please give them a like. If you want to see more of our content, subscribe to our channel. Click the bell for notifications so that you know when we upload new videos. And if you would like some other content, join us on patreon.com for patterns, workshops, craft and chats, and our new video series that's coming up, which are video patterns and chat shows with crochet designers with varying topics that we will talk about each month. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.